Hey, it's Denise, and I'm so excited to share with you the magic Washberries. Now, this is something that I've been using for months, and I absolutely love. Now, what is it? Well, it's actually a soap nut, and this has been used since ancient times for cleaning stuff and also for therapeutic. It's great for eczema and psoriasis. But the number one use is as an organic laundry soap. And it's great because there's no chemicals, it's completely hypoallergenic. Even people with the most sensitive skin will not break out using this. These aren't only great for you and the environment, they're also very cost efficient. One box is the equivalent of 7 bottles of laundry detergent. That's 300 loads, and these are great for high efficient washing machines. The Magic Washberries is great for all colors and kinds of clothing, and you can use it with either hot or cold water. The warmer the water, the more sudsy it gets. It's so easy to use. Along with the Washberries, you get these 2 canvas bags. And all you do is you take 4 to 6 Washberries, drop them in the bag, and throw them in your laundry. When it's done, you can actually reuse this. You just put this to the side to dry, and you can reuse it up to 4 to 6 times. When they become soft and gray, that's when you know it's time to throw them out, or better yet, compost it. Now, flat out, this is the best, most cost-effective laundry soap I've ever used. But guess what? It's not just for laundry. You can use these to clean a whole multitude of things. In fact, we created a downloadable guide on our website that shows you all the different cleaning solutions you can make and how to do it. We made some household cleaning solution right here, and here's another little tip. You can add some essential oils to any of the cleaning things, or even the laundry soap, to give it a scent that you want to enjoy. Here's my promise. Buy a box. If you don't love it every bit as much as I do, return it for a refund. Now, we don't have a lot of these in stock, and once we sell out, that's all she wrote. But the good news is we've got a phenomenal price. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to the site and grab a box or 2 today.